Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing and fixing defects. Chip out loose mortar, grind hairline cracks, and remove mold where it hides. Once clean and dry, prime the surface to improve adhesion. Primers penetrate pores and lock dust. Make sure humidity is below 60% and temperature above 5 degrees C so the primer cures properly. Next, mix a cementitious bonding coat to a creamy consistency and apply the first waterproof layer at about 1–2 mm wet film thickness. This creates a uniform base for membranes. Once the base layer is tacky but not fully cured, you embed a reinforcing mesh into corners, junctions, and any movement zones. This prevents future cracks by distributing stress. After mesh placement, apply a second waterproof coating. Work in wet-on-wet passes or as manufacturer specifies, so you reach the required total thickness. Make sure to detail around pipes and electrical boxes with performed collars or flexible sealant. When you smooth transitions and ensure full coverage, the membrane becomes a continuous barrier against water ingress. You finish by protecting the waterproofing with a durable top coat or render suited to the exposure. For outdoor walls, use UV-resistant finishes. Once cured, perform a flood test by containing 2–4 cm of water for 24–48 hours and inspect opposite faces for damp spots. This confirms integrity. If you find a leak, stop water, mark the area, cut back to the membrane, and reapply cleaning, primer, mesh, and membrane in layers. Make sure to retest after repairs so you know the wall is watertight.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.